Okay, you want to slice the bread? Okay, I'll hold it and you slice it. Slice right down there. Good, good. You're getting it. Pull hard. Ah, good one. Get the other slice. Pull it through like Daddy does your bread. Ah, good job. Let's see, you want to finish your watermelon? Can you change it to this way on your hand? I think it was easier. Ooh, good job. Next piece. Oh, you want this bread? You want to make a sandwich? Okay, you're getting there. Woohoo! Good job! Good job. There you go. Good job lining it up. Got right in there. Oh, gotta do it hard. This is a tough one. Ah. Ooh, you wanna try your carrot some more? Okay, cut your carrot. Ooh, you're getting really good with the carrot. Yay! Now we only have the tomato left. Okay, there you go. Cut the tomato. Great. What about this one? This slice. Great. Now let's make a sandwich. Bread. I guess we can only make tomato and cucumber sandwich. That's my favorite. Yummy! Yum, 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 yum. Ah, delicious! Okay, let's put them back together. Cucumber, cucumber, and cucumber. You want to slice again? Put the tomato back together. Okay, I'll hold it for you. Good job. I heard it. You gotta do it again. Oh, almost. There you go. Yay!
Okay.
Watermelon. And what's this? What are you cutting? What is it? What do you call it? Is that an apple? No. You gotta use the knife the other direction. Thank you. Oh, good job. Okay. Okay, I'll hold it. You slice it. Woo! Excellent slicing of the watermelon. One more piece.